Hello, this video is to show the new features of VerseVIEW 10. This is the default opening screen. So on the left side we have the Bible tab, and here we can search by reference. We can find a verse, or we can present that reference, or we can schedule the reference. Below that we have the book, chapter and verse selection that we can quickly navigate through. For example, let's click on this verse. It'll go into presentation. At the same time, that verse would be added to the recent, so we can quickly navigate to it. At the bottom we have the Bible search, where we can search keywords. And the next tab is a songs tab on the left side. Here we have songs arranged into various categories, and we can search based on tags. In this box we can search the songs by its title, or by the lyrics, or by the author, or by the song number. Let's say we want to search the song by its title, so we type in, let's say, Create, and that will show you the song that starts with Create. Now if we click on this icon right here, the magnifying glass, it'll search all the songs that have the word Create within it. Clicking this X icon right here will clear the search and go back to showing all the songs in the database. On the right side we can see the name of the song, and it's followed by three icons. The first one is Edit, which opens up the edit box, and we will go over this in details in a different video. The next one, if we click, it'll open up the browser and it'll play the YouTube of that particular song. And the last icon is to schedule the song in the Schedules tab. Down here we can see if there are any tags set up for it. We can see that over here. And there's a few other information that will be displayed at the bottom. For certain songs, usually in the Malayalam database, we can also see the song number on the right side. The next is the Bible search. Here we can search using keywords, and it shows you all the verses that have the keyword dry land. The next tab is the Schedule tab. Here it'll show you the Bible verse and the songs that have been scheduled. And you can click on these songs and it'll immediately go into the presentation mode. The next tab is the Graphics tab. Here we can add motion background, still backgrounds, and we can also add an overlay color for our backgrounds. We can also set one of the still images as our logo image. We can add and delete those images as well, or the motion backgrounds. So for example, let's go ahead and press in this. There is the motion background with the red color overlay. The last tab is the Screens tab. This is where we enable our main presentation, we enable our stage presentation, and here are the settings for the main presentation. The main presentation also comes with a list of presets that we can use, and some options we can click and it'll be saved. So now if we go into presentation, and we get a different view of the presentation. A few other items is this top right side, there is a remote icon, and that'll tell you if the remote VerseVIEW is enabled. And here we can set up our remote VerseVIEW, and we can also select which lower third themes we want to use, and it'll generate the QR code and the appropriate link for it. We will do a different video on the details of the remote VerseVIEW. And the last icon here is to switch to light mode and back to dark mode. Also on top here we have a few buttons. That is to create a blank presentation, display the logo, to close the presentation, and the previous and the next slides. Thank you once again for using VerseVIEW. Please like and subscribe to our channel.